welcome back. So today we're going to make homemade sweet moist cornbread. So for this recipe you will need yellow cornmeal, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, vegetable oil, butter, honey, eggs, and milk. So let's get started. To start off, you're going to mix together your cornmeal, which I have yellow cornmeal, and I have 1 cup of cornmeal. So you need 1 cup of cornmeal, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 baking powder. Please don't get this mistaken with baking soda. So the baking powder, you need 2 tablespoons of baking powder. A lot of people get baking powder and baking soda mixed up. I don't understand how, but yes, this is baking powder. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of baking powder. You're going to need 1 cup of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to mix all of those together. In there really good. Next, you're going to get another bowl and you're going to mix together your wet ingredients. So you're going to take your vegetable oil, which I have my vegetable oil here, which is 2/3 cups of vegetable oil. Set this here. You need melted butter. So I have 1/3 cup of melted butter. You need your honey, so 2 tablespoons of honey. I'll get my honey out here. So that's 1 tablespoon. I gotta get 1 more tablespoon of honey. Alright. Have my honey here. Very sticky. Alright. Next, you need 4 eggs beaten together. So I have my 4 eggs. I'm just gonna slightly beat them. is 4 eggs. And lastly, you're gonna add 2½ cups of milk. So I'm gonna get my milk. That's 2 cups. Now I just need ½ cup. And that's my ½ cup. All right. Now I'm gonna mix those together. Just try not to stir it to the point where it fall out the bowl and spill. But you want to try to mix it together really well. Okay. Next, you want to add the dry ingredients and wet ingredients together. Okay, you don't want to over mix them. So I'm just going to do a little at a time. You want to do it just until it's moist. Until all the dry ingredients is coated. Okay, add a little more. And add the last little bit. And you just want to stir this together until it's moist. You do not want to over mix it. So that's why I'm not using my mixer, because I don't want to over mix it. That's very important. All right. Scraping the sides. Okay. Next, I have a greased pan here, which I probably should have used the bigger one, but we will see. I may have to transfer it out. We will see. We will see. Yep, I should have used the bigger pan. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my bigger pan. I'm going to spray it, because you want to make sure it is sprayed so that your cornbread will not stick. Switch that here. And I'm just going to transfer this over into this pan. I just caused myself more dishes to wash. I should have known this. But there. And then I'm going to just add the rest of my batter here. I normally don't fix this much, so that's why I have to use a bigger pan. So I'm just going to even it out, and I'm going to place my oven on 350, and I'm just going to place my cornbread in the oven for 45 minutes. It's been 40 minutes, so we're just gonna take our cornbread out. Oh man, it looks beautiful. At this point, it's pretty much done. If you want, you can cover it with some aluminum foil very loosely, and you can place it in the oven for 10 minutes, and it will brown the top. If you prefer that. Me, I don't. I like mine as is. But there you have it. Homemade cornbread. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my homemade cornbread. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below, like, and comment as well. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!